Hello, I'm Amaryllis from OODECO. Today I will show you how you can make easy photo frames just using paper. As you can see, there's a lot of different shape, arch, half circle, a circle, a heart shape. It fits a vertical picture and horizontal picture, so it's a very nice and easy craft to make to frame a picture. If you like this craft, please subscribe and give me a like. To make the paper photo frame, you will need a ruler, scissors, a glue stick, a bone folder, a cutter, a cutting mat, and yeah, I'm showing you one frame that is finished. You just have to slide the picture in, fold the top flap, and as you can see, it stands by itself. You can display the paper frame wherever you like. The template includes 12 different frames models. So the first thing you have to do is download and print the frame template on cardstock paper. I will show you how to put the frame together using the vertical circle template. Steps are the same for every frame model. It's very easy, as you will see. Take the front template and cut following the straight lines. Use a cutter or an X-Acto knife to cut out the central frame shape. Place the paper on a cutting mat or a piece of cardboard. So now you have the front part of your frame and you have to fold the flaps following the dotted lines. I like to use the bone folder as it makes nice and clean folds. As you can see, the top flap is a little larger than the other ones. When you fold the flaps, try to have the dotted line inside the fold so the lines won't show once the frame is finished. The front part of your frame is done, so time to make the back. Take the back template and cut following the straight lines. I'm making a vertical frame here, so I just print out the vertical back. If you want to make an horizontal frame, just print the horizontal back template. You have 3 dotted lines on the back and you have to fold them so the frame will stand by itself. Again, I use the bone folder to have nice and clean folds. Make the first fold outward, the center fold inward, and the second outside fold outward too. This is how the fold of the back of the frame must look like. Add glue on the back part inside of the folds. Press a little and the back of your frame is done. Now you have to glue the 3 flaps on the back of the frame. You don't have to glue the top flap. Add glue on the flaps and align them with the back of the frame and press. Press all the edges to have a good adherence. And your frame is done. Slide your favorite picture in. This is a pic of my mom and my son from years ago. And fold the top flap in. And done. Here is the template to make a horizontal half circle frame. Steps are exactly the same as a vertical frame. The only thing that changes is that you have to print the horizontal back part of the frame instead of the vertical one. Well, as you see, it's the same as the vertical frame, and you can also slide a nice picture in and you fold the flap in. If you want to close the frame, you can add a little glue on the top flap and press to close the frame. These paper frames makes also a nice gift. You can just slide them in an envelope and mail it to anyone you like as a little surprise. I enjoy having pictures around my house, so I make different models of the frames and display them around my living room. Have fun making paper frames!